Good morning, class 4 students. Today we are going to do grammar with a smile, page number 5. Change these sentences to the form that is mentioned in the brackets. Heng sentence te hi achunga heta bracket ta along so yang zel hian thak dang lamro atia. Ta chuanin number 1 a chuan show me your book please ania question a siam turan a. Will you show me the book please? Atiani. Tahianin I zona kan siam dona chuanin min entir theyangem khongain ti kha tahianin will kha kan beltani mo will you show me the book please angai khanin ala om veka your ti le will kha ma khanin your aya khan you hi ma arong kala will hi ron om beltani. Bharati is his cousin. Nia question. Is tachuanin is Bharati is Bharati his cousin aron mitani. Tahianin is he helping verb anti auxiliary verb kanti khani helping verb kamo helping verb hi sentence tina hianin subject a oma chuanin verb kha om nge helping verb kha om nge bok thin ta ni chu tianga question kan siam don chuan helping verb hi aron om thin ta heta po helping verb hian helping verb kan da a sentence pa ngai atangin mo helping verb kan da bela chu chu ma aron kalin question kha ron siam ta ni will ti hianin hei hi helping verb ani hei hian question aron ti changta ni chuan a hnuaiah chuanin Bharati is his cousin ania question a siam tur ania chuan heta hianin Bharati hi subject ania is hi helping verb auxiliary verb ka ti kha ni ma pon chuan is hi ama aron kala a subject kha hnunga atola is Bharati his cousin aron ni tani chuan is the baby crying ania hei hi zo na ron ni sa a thutluang tlampa ngaya kan da ang the baby is crying ani thil kan zia tran reng rengin atira capital letter manzel tur ka ti kha capital in ron mang zelang sentence bul kan tran reng rengin horok puya zia thin tu. Number 4 their mother is tall question a hei hi zia turania chuan their mother hi subject ani tiro is he helping verb ani chuan is their mother tall kan lo ti ang chuan our teacher is always fair ania question a kan siam le don chuan china kan ti ang chia khan is hi ama kan da lenga subject hi hnunga ron tol pheyang is our teacher always fair hi el turania kalo thai pal ni hi how pretty the bride looks ania chuan the bride looks very pretty ti tur ta hianin very ka zia mai ni hi the bride looks very pretty chuan adot lia what a difficult exercise that was ania statement a siam turani hei hi apani ni yan exclamation ania exclamatory sentence ve ani a exclamation mark po heta hi oma exclamatory sentence te hi statement ta kanda ani heta hian hei po hi kanda liang that was a very difficult exercise mo tongklong tlampa ngaya warta ka kan soidon chuan very hi kan bel thin turani chuan number 8 please come for a meeting at 2 o'clock atia darnia meeting turin local ro khongain atiani chuanin zona kan siam don chuan will you will helping verb hi ama kan da le will you come for a meeting at 2 o'clock please anitani will you come for a meeting at 2 o'clock please chuan adotlia Dinesh is happy with his results hei hi exclamation sentence a siam tur ani mo chuan how happy Dinesh is with his result soi warna how ti hi ama kan bada le how happy ti hi mo Dinesh is with his result hei hi kan soi warna tang han ma hang kan da le ta ni the children were frightened exclamation a kan siam le do na chu wangin how frightened the children were kan ti le ta ni hei kan bel le ta po hei kan bela hei po hei kan bela soi warna khang kan bel zelani hei hi in no ta in lo ti vi anga chuan ron submit le turani class le chuan in anwai mi hi kan soi fiang o